So, once again, very good evening, everyone. I have started with the recording now. So, I'm telling this again. And yes, you have to make your mindset like you have to work, you have to learn, and you have to make that in your priority. Then overcome the fear of losing money. Okay. See what happens when we are into a business. Of course we have to do the investment. You all people have invested. Okay, after the investment you have connected here. Okay, after the investment you have made your mindset that yes, you have lose some money, but forget that. And in future also you have to do a investment as well. See what happened when I have started with the affiliate marketing. Okay, I have invested lot. I have invested around, you can say, more than 55,000 as of now. Okay, I have invested lot for my learnings, for my skill development. I have done lot of experiment. I have invested for the multiple affiliates. I have taken the services of the third party. Okay, I have invested for the infographics as well. Okay, I have invested a lot. So keep that in your mind. You have to lose some money as well. Okay, you have to invest some money as well. Okay, overcome the fear of losing money. Don't think कि हमारा पैसा ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है. No, you have to be prepared for everything. When you are into a business, you have to like you have to keep in mind that you will maybe lose a money. Okay, but you have to work in such a way that you will make yourself as a pro. All right. Yes, focus on keeping emotions in check. Okay, learn from the mistake you will make. Whatever the mistakes you have done. Okay, whatever the mistakes you have done in past. See what happens. As we all know that we all have been gone through with the COVID situation, through the lockdown situation. So a lot of people from last like it's like going to be a 10 months. Okay, 10 महीने से मुझे thousands of people I have connected, more than thousands of people I have connected in this lockdown period. Every month I was taking the call with the thousands of people every single month. Okay, so uh, like what was there in their mind that they have made a mistake, they have made a mistake, that they were wondering कि काश हमारे पास भी कोई दूसरा source of income होता. Now I will tell you my example. Okay, I will tell you my example. As I have already said in the beginning of this training that I'm also a founder of a company, Renon International. Okay, so in first after the lockdown, 4 months 4 months के लिए मेरा business बंद हो गया था. मेरा ही नहीं, all over India, all over world business बंद हो गए थे, right? तो ये जो 4 मंथ्स बिजनेस जब बंद हुआ था, पूरी दुनिया खाली बैठी थी. एंड मैं इतनी बिजी थी, आई वॉज सो बिजी विथ माई एफिलिएट बिजनेस कि मुझे 24 आवर्स कम गिर रहे थे. 24 आवर्स मुझे कम गिर रहे थे. आई वॉज स्लीपिंग इन मॉर्निंग 5 and 6 a.m. Okay, I was sleeping in morning 5 and 6 a.m. And woke up in 10 in the morning or 11 in the morning, बिकॉज इतनी सारी इंक्वायरीज आती थी, इतने सारे मतलब इंक्वायरीज वगैरह आती थी कि मुझे उनको आंसर देना पड़ता था एट अ टाइम, बैक टू बैक 700 800 फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट आती थी एवरी सिंगल डे. उसमें से फिर मुझे, अब जैसे सब लोग बोलते हैं मैम मुझे लीड्स नहीं मिल रही है, मुझे लीड्स नहीं मिल रही है, मुझे तो लीड्स ही लीड्स मिलती थी. ठीक है, फिर उसमें से मुझे सॉर्टिंग करना पड़ता था कि क्वालिटी लीड्स कैसे सेग्रीगेट करे और जो जंक लीड्स है उसको कैसे सेग्रीगेट करे. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमें हर दिन हर टाइम पे एक्सपेरिमेंट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. सेकेंड थिंग, कोई भी बिजनेस पर्सन होता है ना, उसको एक्सपेरिमेंट करना ही पड़ता है. अभी सबसे बड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट आप खुद का ले लो. आप लोग सब मुझे जानते हो नहीं, बट सी वी हैव मेट थ्रू द सोशल मीडिया. ओके, बट हम लोग ने एक रिस्क लिए, राइट? वी हैव टेकन अ रिस्क क्यों? क्योंकि वी हैव टू गो, लाइक हमको लाइफ में मूव ऑन करना है, एक अनदर सोर्स ऑफ बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना था, एक बिजनेस माइंडसेट के लिए भी कुछ लोग रेडी रहते हैं और अभी भी कुछ लोग रेडी नहीं है। सो डे वन में मैं अपने टॉप नॉच ट्रेनिंग में यही आपके माइंड में फीड करना चाहती हूँ कि पहले आप सबसे पहले अपना माइंडसेट बनाइए कि आपको बिजनेस करना है, global business. This is a global business opportunity. Okay. And second thing, whatever the mistake you have done in the past, you have to forget or those mistakes, and you have to take the good things from that so that you will not going to repeat the same again in the future. Okay. Yes. Remember that patience is the biggest virtue. Okay. Now this is the biggest point, key. You always have to keep a lot of patience. Always see, I will tell you my experience when I have started with affiliate industry. I received my first sale in the first month, second sale in the second month. Okay, everybody don't get the success in a same month, same week. Okay, it takes some time. For that, you have to focus on your learning. Okay, so you have to keep lot of patience, and it is the biggest virtue. Okay, then maintain focus and discipline. You, when you are into a business, you have to be very focused and you have to keep a discipline for yourself. Being a lady, being a woman, I am very disciplined with my work. I am very disciplined and passionate for my work. And I belongs to an industrialist family. Okay, my father is an industrialist. My father-in-law is an industrialist. My husband is a business person. Okay, so I am around with the people who is having a business background. Okay, so I'm always being a disciplined one. Okay, discipline se kaam hota hai. So the same mindset you have to keep in your mind. Maintain yourself with the focus and a discipline. Okay, then cultivate creativity. Whenever, when you are, as I told you earlier, when we are into a business, we always have to do the experiment. Okay, in experiment also we have to do the thing, something innovative which nobody has done. Okay, when you will put your post or status and story, every time you will find something creativity, every time something you will find innovative. Okay, so you have to cultivate all the time with the creativity, with the innovation. Okay, with the new experiment. Okay, and whenever you will find something new, just take some lessons from that and make it your own. All right, so like, are you getting what I am teaching you? Please share me in the chat box.
Yes,
Are you getting what I am teaching you?
yes, Richa.
Do you find it interesting or boring?
Yes, it is interesting and motivating.
Yeah, so like now we don't have to take any kind of, I always
It's
say,
interesting, but it's
yes,
yes, ma'am. Present you.
yes, Deepak, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
See, I always say, I don't want to give you any kind of motivations. ठीक है, मैं को आपको कोई मोटिवेशंस नहीं देना है. हम लोगों को जो सही स्ट्रैटेजीज है, हमें स्ट्रैटेजीज पे वर्क करना है. ओके, से कुछ नहीं होता. हम लोग वो जो देखते हैं ना, मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स होते हैं, वो लोग स्टेज में जाके स्पीच देते हैं. समटाइम्स मोटिवेशंस भी काम नहीं आते, हमको स्ट्रैटेजीज पे ही वर्क करना होता है. सो मेक श्योर कि आप जो कुछ भी यहाँ पे सीख रहे हैं वो आप आपके बिजनेस में इम्प्लीमेंट कीजिएगा. Okay, so whatever the points I have tell you right now, just take a screenshot so that you will again go through it. All right. Okay, so now what are the other ways to develop a success oriented mindset? Put yourself in a challenging new situation. All right, so whenever whatever the kind of situation you are getting at that movement, you have to tackle with it. You have to take that challenge. You have to take that challenge in such a way that you have to find solution at the same time. Now, how you will do that? Take the example. अगर कोई लीड आपको मिलता है और वो आपको, सी यू ऑल आर अ न्यूबी, आप लोग सब नए नए स्टार्ट की है अभी, ठीक है, यू ऑल आर अ न्यू जॉइनीज. सो आपको हर कोई बिजनेस के लिए पूछेगा कि आप हमें बताइए कि बिजनेस में और क्या क्या है, ठीक है, तो आप उन्हें क्या बताएंगे? वो आपके लिए एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज रहेगा. तो सबसे पहला काम है आपको पूरा कंप्लीट कोर्स देखना है लीड्स का, ठीक है, आपको पूरा पूरा कंप्लीट कोर्स देखना है लीड्स का. अगर वो आपसे कोई भी बिजनेस रिलेटेड चीज पूछ रहे हैं, आपके पास उसका सॉल्यूशन रहना चाहिए. आपके पास हर चीज का जवाब रहना चाहिए, और वो आपको खुद ढूंढना है. ऑफ कोर्स मैं हेल्प करूंगी. आई एम योर मेंटर. यू कैन आस्क मी एनी टाइम. जस्ट गिव मी अ कॉल एज वेल. बट there are sometimes there is some situation when you have to solve your own solution. Okay, so keep that in a mind. Be open to a finding mentor. Think of a failure as a learning opportunity. जो भी आप गलतियां कर रहे हैं, वो आप गलतियां करो. मैं तो बोलती हूँ आप गलतियां करो. जब तक आप गलतियां नहीं करेंगे, आप उसको, वो प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे. और जो प्रॉब्लम को आप जब तक सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे, तब तक आप वो चीज में पॉलिश नहीं होंगे. ओके, सो यू हैव टू बी पॉलिश. यू हैव टू बी do the practice in such a way that you will get all the solution from that. Okay, keep a folder of your proudest moment. Always keep a folder of your proudest moment. Like just say, take the example, if as right now, टेक द एग्जाम्पल, अभी मैंने कुछ लाइफ में अचीव ही नहीं की हूँ, ठीक है, अभी लाइक मैं अभी नई नई एफिलिएट इंडस्ट्री में आई हूँ, और मुझे एफिलिएट के बारे में कुछ नहीं मालूम. लेकिन मेरे पास पहले का क्या है, एफिलिएट. लाइक टेक द एग्जाम्पल, मैंने आज एनरोल की हूँ लीड्स में. कल परसों मेरे पास अभी ये 2 दिन में कोई नई लीड्स आ रही है. इफ एनी न्यू लीड्स इज कमिंग टू मी, सो हाउ आई विल tackle with them? I will tell them about my proudest moment. I will tell them about my achievement which I have achieved. That what are my achievement? That I have done my MBA in international business from Mumbai. I have done job in this company for 6 months. I worked with the corporate people. I was there into a top management. I worked there with the like-minded people. Okay, so these all are my proud moments. So these all are my achievements. Okay, when I was into a corporate, like there I will find a people of a business mindset. Okay, when I was into a corporate, I was sitting next to the country heads. I was sitting next to the zonal head. I was sitting next to the regional head. I was sitting next to the CEO and director of a company. So these all are my proud moments. All right, the same thing must be having with you all people as well. Okay, like for Deepak is from IIT Kanpur. Okay, so the biggest proudest movement for Deepak Khandelwal is he is a IIT Kanpur. Okay, so you all people must be having the proud movement, the big achievement. From that you can pitch to the your leads. Okay, that will help you for your business. Okay, then Ismail is also having another business. He can pitch that point for their to their lead. That will be the proud moment for. So everybody have their own talent. Okay, everybody have their own talent. You have to come out with it. You just take a pen and a book, write your movements, write your achievements. What are the things which you have done in the as of now in your career? Okay, and what are your another things which you have to do in a future? And whatever the things failure things which you have done in the past, you have to forget, but you have to take out some point from that, so that the same mistake you are not going to do, and you will find the solution in that. Okay, Do you find this session is boring?
No. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So
It's
you're getting what
interesting.
I'm trying to say, why this business mindset lesson is important.
Please proceed.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
Do you think this business mindset lesson is very important for the day one?
It is the foundation.
Yes.
100%.
100%. Okay, yes. Thank you so much, everyone. Yeah. So these are the things which you have to keep in mind. Then the next is surround yourself with the top talents. Okay. Please unmute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay. Yeah. So the next is surround yourself with top talent. You have to come in such a surrounding where you will find only the talented people. Okay, now I will tell you my example. Whatever I am going to teach you here, I will tell you all things on the basis of my experience only. Okay, I don't have a friends. I don't have any friends. Okay, I have a friend. Those are into a business. Okay, I have a friend. She is CA. I have a friend. She's a director of a school. I have a friend from Mumbai, Pune, who is working in a top management in a IT. I have one friend. She is in Mumbai. She is a general manager of a shipping and logistic company. So I surround myself with the people who are a like-minded people. Okay, who are into a top position, who are into a top talent. Okay, so see, my mentor is Ayaz Mohammed. Okay, everybody knows, like the people who are from my team, they know that my mentor is Ayaz Mohammed. Okay, so he take my suggestions as well. Many of the time he takes my suggestion. रिचा, मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि टीम के लिए ये करना है, मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि टीम के लिए ये करना है, वो करना है. So like he take my suggestions as well somehow. So why he's taking my suggestions? There are a lot of people in Leadzak, but why he's taking my suggestions as well? Because he find a business mindset potential in me, because he find that I'm already doing a business, I'm already running a company, I'm already into a e-commerce, I'm already doing multiple businesses, I'm doing multiple things, and I always believe in the technology of the business. Okay, so uh, so he always take, like these coming Saturday I'm taking the internal training of Leadzak, and it is going to be on high ticket closing. I'm taking the Saturday the Leadzak internal training. Okay, so it is going to be in high ticket closing, how you can easily pitch a product to the lead for high tickets only, the Leadzak Pro 1. Okay, so don't miss it. It is going to be very important, and that same we will cover here as well. Okay, we will take it again, repeat. And so it is very important for you to surround with the people who is having a top talent mindset. Okay, find time to disconnect from stressors. Okay, where you will find the people जो बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस लेते हैं. ओके, उनके साथ डिस्कनेक्ट रहिए. ओके, जैसे टेक द एग्जांपल, अगर हर कोई आपको अपनी प्रॉब्लम ही बता रहा, तो ऐसे लोगों से दूर रहिए, बहुत दूर रहिए. Now again I will tell you my example. I was into a kitty party. Okay, like मेरी दो kitty parties है. Okay, and when I go there, I found lot of women of my age. they are so stressful women. Okay, they talk all rubbish thing that मेरी सास ऐसी है, then मेरी जिठानी ऐसी है, मेरी सिस्टर इन लॉ ऐसी है. सो लाइक वो पूरा स्ट्रेस है ना, तो उनका स्ट्रेस हम लेते हैं. ठीक है, उनका स्ट्रेस हम लेते हैं, हम उनसे बात करते. तो मेक श्योर कि ऐसे लोगों से हम दूर रहे. अगर आपके भी लाइफ में कुछ ऐसे फ्रेंड्स है जो आपको हर टाइम स्ट्रेस देते हैं, जिनकी बातों से आपको टेंशन आती है, तो ऐसे लोगों से दूर रहिए. क्योंकि जब आप बिजनेस करते हो ना, तो आपका जो माइंड है वो प्योर रहना चाहिए, पीस ऑफ माइंड चाहिए आपको. बिजनेस में न्यू आइडिया डेवलपमेंट्स के लिए आपको एक पीस ऑफ माइंड की जरूरत बहुत पड़ती है. जब तक आपके पास पीस ऑफ माइंड नहीं रहेगा, आपका न्यू आइडियाज डेवलप नहीं होगी, आप नए एक्सपेरिमेंट्स नहीं कर पाएंगे. ऑलराइट, यस. डेवलप अ सिंपल मॉर्निंग रूटीन. डेवलप योर विद अ सिंपल routine. The same, wake up early in the morning, do some meditation, go for a walking, do some exercise and yoga. Okay, then take your healthy breakfast, then start with your routine. The same thing you have to do for the business. Okay, so you have to develop a very simple morning routine. Set time bound and achievable personal goals. See, this point is very important. I know that you are already into another business. Few of you are into another business, few of you are into a job, and few of you are a student. All right. So you have to manage your time. Okay. The time bound is very important in this situation. You have to segregate your timings. See, the affiliate marketing business in you, where you have to work only 2 to 3 hours a day. You don't need to work for 8 to 10 hours. I'm telling you, you don't need to. See, in first 3 months, you have to work hard. No doubt. In first 3 months, you have to work hard. First, you have to work on yourself. First, you have to make your mindset that you have to do the things in this 3 months, in this 90 days. अगर ये 90 days में आपने ये सारी चीजें कर लिए, you are going to be into a next level. I'm telling you. So the whatever kind of training I am going to provide you, I have not as of now, मुझे अभी तक नहीं मिली है. मेरे को आज तक किसी ने ऐसी ट्रेनिंग नहीं दिया जो ट्रेनिंग मैं आपको दे रही हूँ. बिजनेस माइंडसेट का ट्रेनिंग लीड्स के कोर्स में या कोई भी कोर्स में बिजनेस माइंडसेट का टॉपिक ही नहीं है. तो बिजनेस माइंडसेट का जो टॉपिक है वो मैंने खुद डिजाइन की हूँ मेरे टीम के लिए, क्योंकि मैंने देखी हूँ बहुत से लोगों का माइंडसेट ही नहीं है बिजनेस का. तो ये टॉपिक मैं डे 1 में इसलिए लेती हूँ बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट यू पीपल टू मेक अंडरस्टैंड कि एक माइंडसेट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, और हमें एक एनवायरनमेंट बनाना बहुत जरूरी है. अपने लिए एक ऐसी जगह ढूंढ लीजिए जहाँ पे सिर्फ आप अकेले हो और कोई नहीं हो. एंड आई लव टू बी अलोन. लोगों को अकेले रहना पसंद नहीं आता है. पीपल लव टू वर्क विद अ क्राउड, टू आजू बाजू में लोग हो. लेकिन मेरे आजू बाजू में लोग रहते ना, तो मेरे को कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आता. सो आई ऑलवेज वॉन्ट अ पीस ऑफ माइंड. और पीस ऑफ माइंड जहां रहेगा वहीं आपका दिमाग काम करेगा, वहीं आप बिजनेस कर पाइएगा. ओके, सो set a time bound and achieve your personal goals. Listen to your instinct. Yes, हर एक के मन में एक वो जो बोलते हैं ना हम तीसरी आंख, एक तीसरी आंख होती है. कभी कभी हमारे अंदर एक इंस्टिंक्ट रहता है, पावरफुल इंस्टिंक्ट, कि यार ये तो हो, मैं करके ही रहूंगा, ये तो मैं करूंगा, ये तो मुझसे होगा ही. तो अपना एक जो इंस्टिंक्ट है वो फाइंड आउट करके निकालिए कि आपका इंस्टिंक्ट क्या है, उसको महसूस कीजिए. लिसन इट. ओके, लिसन टू योर इंस्टिंक्ट. अवॉइड stagnation. Okay, so these are the things which you have to put in your mind. All right, just a second. steps to achieve a growth mindset in business. So these are the points which help you to achieve, to grow for the mindset in your business. The ideas have an impact by improving motivation, innovation, productivity, among other areas. Okay, the growth mindset is the belief that an individual most basic ability and skills can develop through dedication and hard work. Brain talent are just the starting point. A fixed mindset is the belief that an individual basic abilities and skills, their intelligence and their talent are just fixed trends. Okay, so जो भी मैं presentation में आपको दिखा रही हूँ, you just take a screenshot, okay, so that you will get the idea कि आपको ये सब चीजों का ध्यान रखना है. Take this screenshot. These are the very important points. Have you taken the screenshot of this? Please confirm.
Yes.
Richa, is it possible to get these slides or
Yes.
is mandatory?
No. This is a presentation I have taken to make you understand. These are the relevant points. But I
Hello?
want you people also to take the screenshot, because
Hello?
in free time you can go through this. That these are the points which we have to keep in mind for the business mindset. So I want you people to check this point again and again. This will boost you for your growth. Okay. Yes. Hello. Yeah, Deepak, you were
Yes.
telling something.
Wait a minute. I'll take a screenshot.
Sorry. All right. So take the screenshot of this so that you can have to check this again and again. And these points will help you to boost for your business mindset. Okay.
Show me first slide. Is it first?
Yeah,
I will let.
sure. Yeah.
Since, okay.
Done.
Yeah. Okay. Done. Next.
Thank you.
Second.
Okay. Yeah. How to create a growth mindset as an entrepreneur. Be 100% accountable. To grow, you need to be accountable or willing to accept the responsibility. And as an entrepreneur, you must start to be responsive and accountable to yourself. As you grow, you will demonstrating accountability and its value to your team. They will follow your leads, make accountability part of your company culture. Okay, so see, this is a mindset where you have to accountable yourself first, and once you will accountable yourself, so that you can help and provide values to your team. The thing which I am doing right now, being an entrepreneur, okay, what I am doing, I have put everything, I have learned everything. Now it's my time to provide you value. Don't you? Yes. Now it's a time for me to provide you the value, to give you the proper guidance, to give you the proper suggestions, to give you the proper acceptance, to give you the proper responsibility and accountability. So make sure whatever you are learning today, you have to teach the same thing in future to your team as well. All right. Do not be concerned with what others have. Avoid envy is fundamental important when you are trying to be focused, driven, and leading. Focus on what others have and that they are doing. Set expectation that simply flow you down, and that focus away from your purpose. Now, see, now this is very important. I have seen a lot of people, they are saying, ma'am, the top earners, they have made that much of money. Okay, so don't concern about them. Do what you have. Don't bother what others have. You have to focus on your learning. Those people, they are doing the things from last 1 year. I know few of the people, they are from industry from last 1 year, few are them from last 8 to 10 months. I have seen their journey. I have seen their everything. I have seen their struggle. They all have started from zero. जहाँ से आप start कर रहे हो ना zero से, जहाँ से मैंने start की हूँ ना digital affiliate industry में zero से, वैसे ही उन्होंने भी zero से start किए. So don't compare yourself with anybody. Everybody have their own talent. Okay, you people must also have your own talent. Just the thing is, you have to take out your talent, okay, by doing practicing on a daily basis. Every single day you have to do the practice. Every single day you have to prove yourself that that we have like we have taken this course, so we will prove that we are going to be we are going to be work on a passionate way. All right, yes, so don't compare yourself with others. Simply work on yourself, set your own expectation and go with the flow and focus whatever you are doing. Yes, become an expert in your field. I meet sorry, you know, like it's okay, fine, leave it. Okay, become an expert in your field. So what we are working in our niche. So what is our niche? Our niche is affiliate marketing, right? So we have to be expert in that. We have to be pro in that. Okay, what are our field? The affiliate, the digital. So we have to be pro in that. Whatever the queries you are getting, you have to, you should have a solution for that. हर चीज का जवाब देना आपके पास आना चाहिए. और आपको जवाब देना कब आएगा? जब आप उस चीज की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. ओके, if you are asking me any of the questions right now, I will answer you. Why? Because I have done that much of practice, so that I will provide you the solution for that. All right, don't focus on your failures. When you learn that we should work on our weaknesses, we tend to think we need to hold on to our failures. But focusing on your failures get detectors too much leverage against you. Instant claim and learn from your failures, then focus on your learning and growing from your mistake. This point I have told you before as well, that whatever you have done in your failure in your past, okay, whatever mistakes, the failures you have in past, you don't have to repeat it again. Don't take your weaknesses don't take weaknesses with you. Make your another strength, work on it, work aggressively, leverage that, okay, optimize that, and work on it, learn from it, and grow yourself to a next level. Okay, do the work and put in the time. Okay, so greatness does not come when you put in just 10%. Put in 10% and you will achieve only 2%, 2% of your potential to achieve greatness. You have got to the 100% putting in the time or and effort. Yes. So like every time you have to give your 10% to your work, and out of 10%, you will achieve only 2%. Got it? Take the example, if you have connected with the 100 leads, okay, in 100, if you will find 100 leads, 100 leads, you will get 10 people and you are focusing continuously to the 10 people, and from that 10 people you will get the outcome for the 2 peoples only. So this is how you have to put a time. You have to give your 10% in such a way that you will find the productivity of 2%. Okay, so this is how you have to work. And if you will do these things step by step every single day, then you will go to the 100%. You will get that much of effort at the end. Okay, do what you love for the people who love what you do. One of my favorite saying is, you need to be purpose driven, doing what you love for those who love what you do. See, I always believe, uh, whatever things you love, you do it. आपको जो अच्छा लगता है कर लीजिए. Don't bother what other peoples are thinking. If you will think that what other peoples are thinking, that negativity will come in your mind. So don't bother about anything. Just do whatever you want to do. Just do the things which you love. Okay, business में ऐसे ही होता है. Okay, अब अंबानीज है, टाटा है और बिरलाज है. They don't even think what other people are doing. कोई भी business person को ले लो. Take any of the business person. They never think what other people are thinking. They only do those things which they love. So here in business, you have to keep in your mind whatever the things you think that you have to do it in a very passionate way, in an aggressive way. So do the things which you love it. Okay, take this screenshot as well. Okay.
Richa ji, is this the third one? Fourth slide.
Sorry.
Is this the third slide or fourth slide?
At the end, I will give you all the screenshot. Okay, let me continue first with the presentation. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Richa, your voice is breaking in between.
My voice is breaking. Isn't my voice is breaking? Please confirm, everyone. Or maybe Ismail, there must be issue.
For me, it is breaking sometimes.
Okay.
For me, clear.
Sorry.
For me, it is clear.
Sometimes it is clear, sometimes not.
All right.
Ma'am,
So
your voice
maybe
is
there
not
will be
coming
a issue from your end.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly.
Just a second. From my end, everything is okay. Everything is perfect.
Okay, just proceed. Let's see. If anything, I will inform you.
We continue, ma'am.
All right. All right. Okay. Then, yes, the next point is, don't focus on money. Business leaders that focus solely on money are never fully satisfied and often lose their customer instant care about creating values. You want customer to say how proud they are about your product and service. You must employ to say how to great work work for you and how much they learn from you. Focus on your creating fans through your value creation. Yes. So I always say the digital and affiliate marketing business is based on complete values. These you all people know. Okay. This business is completely based on values. So you don't even have to focus on your money. You don't have to think that I have to make this much of money, I have to make that much of money. Every single day you have to focus on your learning. Every single day you have to give to your leads, to your customer, the best you have. Okay, you have to give them a product, you have to give them a service. For that, you have to first work on yourself. You have to do the creation, you have to provide them value, you have to do something so much of innovative and motivative, so that they will find the values in your work and they will connect with you. So if the people who are completely based on money, like मुझे पैसा चाहिए, so you will not make a money. First you have to satisfy those people with your work, then you will start making a money. Now I will tell you one person in Leeds. I don't want to tell you his name. That person is a materialistic man. Okay, that like that person, he always shows his accessories, he always shows his whatever he's purchasing, he put every time on his wall. Okay, that man is so materialistic कि वो लोगों के दिमाग में यही बात डालता है कि भाई पैसा कमा लो, पैसा कमा लो, पैसा कमा लो, आज नहीं तो कभी नहीं कर पाओगे, ये नहीं कर पाओगे, वो नहीं कर पाओगे, बड़े बड़े लोगों ने ऐसा किए. सी दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स विल नॉट वर्क. Don't think you can show things to the people with the materialistic. No, that is a very wrong way. You have to give the proper solution to the people. You have to see what happened. Lot of people show the sales figure, but yeah, of course in digital industry, everybody asks you for the sales figure, but not every time you have to do that. You have to show your work as well. Whatever you have learned, you have to show that as well. So make sure that whatever you are learning here, you have to replicate it, you have to make a blueprint of it and show to in your wall and in your status and stories as well. Okay, so don't focus on money what you are making. First you have to focus on your learnings. Okay, but I'm not saying that you are only learning. I have seen one person, he has connected with me. He had joined this business 5 months ago and still he is saying, ma'am, I'm learning only, I have not made a single money. So 5 months ho gaya and he is saying I'm still learning. So it means he is not learning in a passionate way. It hardly will take a month for the learning. And if you want to be a pro, if you want to be a pro of my level, it will take 90 days. Okay, so make sure whatever you are doing, do it passionately. All right, then achieve your outcome quickly. Do not be obsessed with perfection. Instead, be fast. Getting somewhere first has more value being perfect but last. The first mover advantage is very important for growth. Develop an appetite to fail often and quickly. Develop your product and service quickly and better aligned with the needs of the customer. Okay, so I just want to say, don't be more obsessed with the perfection. Don't think that I'm not perfect here. Don't be obsessed that I'm not perfect there. So like, you won't become a perfect in a single day. It will take some time. It will take a day, it will take a days, it will take a weeks, it will take a months to be a perfectionist. Okay, yeah, like you just see lot of top level people, they also go through the years of experience. They also not have made the success in a single period or a single day. They also have, see, it's all depends on destiny. Sometimes you will get the things in the earlier age, sometimes you will get the things in a late age, but you have to be first focused with your work. You have to be perfect on your work. For that you have to be practicing. Like you have to, yes, of course you will fail in that, but from that failures you will find your mistake, and those mistake you don't have to do it again. And then you will start making a better version of yourself. Okay, be grateful for what you have. Be grateful for what you have now. Be grateful for what you are going to achieve. Be grateful for what you don't have. Gratitude is a gift and a core requirement for a growth mindset. The true expression of a gratitude sets off energy that has the power of drawing people towards you. Explore and embrace it. Okay, so gratitude it that it's a gift and a core requirement for the your growth mindset. Okay, so gratitude yourself, like explore yourself. Okay, explore yourself, and embrace it. Okay, become self-aware and understand your purpose. If you want to be succeed in your life, you must know your purpose. You want to have a business growth mindset, you must become self-aware, understand your purpose. Self-aware has the power of align your will and humanity, which affects people to you through your purpose. Now just think by yourself. just सिर्फ एक बार सोच के देखिए, जस्ट सोच के देखिए कि आप यहाँ क्यों आए. Why you came here? What is the purpose? So understand your purpose. Okay, become self aware. आप समझिए कि आप यहाँ क्यों आए. Like if I will think of my past 14 months before, why I have came here, I will find a different Richa in myself. I'm telling you. When I don't know, like a lot of people new here. So when I think myself in this 14 month, तो मुझे भी यही लगता है कि यहाँ मैं क्यों आई, मेरा पर्पस क्या है. ठीक है, तो ऐसे ही आप भी सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं यहाँ आया, मैं क्यों आया, क्या पर्पस हो सकता है. तो ये चीज आप अपने आप में समझिए. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. अगर ये चीज आपने फील कर ली है ना कि हमारा पर्पस क्या है यहाँ आने का, हमारा क्या पर्पस है डिजिटल इंडस्ट्री में, एफिलिएट इंडस्ट्री में आने का, वो एक माइंडसेट अगर आप डेवलप कर लेंगे ना, आप ये बिजनेस छोड़ ही नहीं सकते. आप ये बिजनेस को छोड़ ही नहीं सकते. डू यू थिंक ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है? हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What about others? God give you the opportunity.
Yeah.
Yes, God give you the opportunity. किसी ना किसी के थ्रू. हाँ, आपको निमित्त का मतलब समझता है? निमित्त मतलब किसी ना किसी के थ्रू हमें मिलना. ओके, लाइक अब मैं मेरे एग्जांपल बताती हूँ. मैं जब डिजिटल इंडस्ट्री में आई कॉन्टैक्टेड क्षितिज, फिर क्षितिज के बाद ज्ञानदेव, फिर ज्ञानदेव के बाद अयाज. तो अभी अयाज मेरे मेंटोर है. ओके, सो जब मैं यहाँ खुद को देखती हूँ ना, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे अयाज की मेंटोरशिप मिली है. तो मुझे लगता है ओके, ये एक पर्पस था कि यहाँ पे मुझे ये सीखना था, ये सब चीजें सीखनी थी. अब वैसे यहाँ पे नरेश है, नरेश के अब्दुल के थ्रू आया. अब्दुल भी अयाज सर के थ्रू मेरे पास आए थे. ठीक है, सो लाइक वो जो हम बोलते हैं ना निमित्त, इन बिटवीन कोई बीच में होता है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द पर्पस? तो आपका पर्पस यही है कि God had put one destiny, the another destiny for you. You have the God has given you the way. Now you have to go in that way, and you have to find your own way. Okay, the way is very long, but in between you will get lot of hurdles. In between you will get lot of failures, but you have to keep aside all the failures, all the negativity, all the minus point, and you have to like वो बोलते हैं ना, हमको रास्ते में बहुत सारे कांटे मिलेंगे, बट हमको वो कांटों को, वो पत्थरों को, वो जो आंधी तूफान पेड़ गिरते वो सबको हटा के हमें आगे बढ़ना है। तो ये चीज हमें करनी है, तो ये चीज आप आपके माइंड में रख लीजिए। ओके, सो यू हैव टू कीप ऑल दिस पॉइंट इन योर माइंड, इन योर बिजनेस माइंड। ओके, so take this screenshot as well. Okay, so thank you. So do you find this interesting? Do you find this interesting?
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
it's very interesting.
Yes, it's really helpful.
बोर हुआ किसी को?
No, not at all.
Not at all. Okay, मुझे
Very
चैट
important topic.
चैट बॉक्स में चाहिए। आई वांट एवरीबॉडी इंटरैक्ट। मुझे चैट बॉक्स में सबका रिव्यू चाहिए। हाउ वाज इट? Do you think this business mindset was valuable? Okay, मुझे सबके सबके रिप्लाई चाहिए। I want everybody's interaction, everybody's participation. Zero to hero. Okay. Sub. I want everybody's answer. Don't put a personal message. Don't put in everyone. Yes, it's very important for the business mind. What is your thinking for the business mindset? Okay, I want everybody interaction. How was it? How was it? Okay, yes, Ismail, I got persuadable. Yes, persuasive. Yes. Please mute yourself.
Richa ji, till now, how many slides you have prepared?
It's I think 8 to 9 slide is there.
But I got only 4.
Okay, I will sharing. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So yeah, first we will take the screenshot.
What is the task today, Richa?
Sorry.
The task today.
We are doing right now. We are doing right now task. Okay. It's total seven slides. How many you have done?
4.
Okay, I'm sharing.
Share me as well.
You just take a screenshot.
Put it larger. Fine.
Please mute all. Okay, you will get the recording for this, or I will share you the PPT in a PDF format. Okay, fine. So,
Yes, fine.
okay,
I'll
fine.
just,
Okay, fine. Let's start with the task. Okay. See, many of you people don't know about Canva, right? So I am telling you about Canva. So let me show you. This is my canva.com dashboard. And this is how I have designed the things for my promotion. This is I have done before. This is I have already shared with you, right? So all the designs I design here, I will teach you in this daily session how I am designing this all. Okay, everything I will tell you how we will design it all. Okay, I will teach you everything. Every day I will share you my laptop, my screen, how I am working, and how you people have to work as well. All right, so these are the designings I have done my own. You also have to do this creativity on a daily basis. You have to be work like a pro. Okay, so this is the biggest like this is going to be help you for the content writing. uh, Content writing, whenever you are putting any kind of content, you have to work for your personal branding, and you have to share your pictures, you have to upload your pictures, and you have to write a content, and in between you have to write the title of the topic as well. See, this is a business mindset I have taken with the people in a last season. Okay, in a last season. So this is the task which we are going right now. Okay, I don't want you people to read it. Okay, we will create another. Okay, so here we are starting, we are creating a new design. Okay, so here I click on create design. Then here I'm putting a Facebook post. Okay, I always take a black background. Okay, because in black background you can make a uh, good graphics. Okay, so now here, what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is business mindset, right? Okay, now everyone will tell me what is their mindset for the business. So what are the things which we will require for the business mindset? Okay, so I first come with the X. Just a second. Okay. Okay, now I come with the Kalyani. Okay, Kalyani, what are the things which we have to keep in mind for the business mindset? Kalyani, are you there? Consistency. All right. Yes, consistency is very important. Every single day we have to work. The business is not we can do for a single day. We have to do this business on a daily basis. Okay. Now, Ismail, what is the other thing? I want everybody's.
Optimistic.
Sorry?
Be optimistic.
Be optimistic. Okay.
And persistent.
ओके एक सेकंड मैं ना क्या करती हूँ okay next persistence
And learning.
learnings yes
And having mentor.
okay great mentor all right next
Product knowledge.
yes product and service knowledge okay
Yes.
product see we are selling product and we are also providing a service right so the product and service knowledge
And client feedbacks.
Creativity is also important.
yes. Creativity
Client feedbacks.
and innovation right
Yes.
yes what you have said another point before
Client feedbacks.
client feedbacks yes because of the client feedback we can like if they said you
Improve
have
ourselves.
a problem in this product or a service so we will polish that so it very important for the client feedbacks yes what else
Focus and
Learning from
discipline.
mistakes.
100%
Focus and discipline.
learning from mistakes
Monitoring the sales.
yes monitoring the sales and
Engagement with the new clients.
engagement with the leads okay here
Yes.
we will write leads
Leads. Right.
engagement with the leads and
Overcoming fear of losing money.
okay Kalyani she said patience as well yes patience is very important yes Ismail
Overcoming fear of losing money.
okay fear of losing money yes see these are the point we have already done okay but I have taken this point as a task, because again I want you are all interaction should be there. I want everybody like should understand in my team to each other. Okay, so that you can ask each other as well. Of course, I'm always there with you, but you should have connection with everybody, like Ismail, Kalyani, Ahmed, Deepak. Okay, so I want you people also to help each other, right? I want my lead Zag team.
Your voice is breaking.
Huh? What is my
Voice is breaking. There is internet connection problem from your side.
voice is breaking, Deepak?
Yes, yes. Voice is breaking.
From mine, it's all everything is perfect. Okay. What are the other
Now
points?
it's okay.
What are the other points? Amit, Naresh, tell me.
Innovation.
Innovation. Yes.
It's already covered.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
have
okay.
creativity and innovation.
Focus and discipline.
Yes, focus and discipline. Focus and discipline. And Abdul,
ऋचा जी मैं अब तक कुछ पॉइंट्स बोले थे.
बोलिए ना, बोलिए.
Let me think.
Take your time. Take your time. बहुत सी चीजें हैं, मुझे तो
Learning.
पता है, but I want your participation.
Learning as priority.
जोर से बोलिए.
Learning as priority.
Learning with priority. Yes, वो हम थोड़ा ऊपर डालेंगे. ठीक है?
I
Yes.
think cover हो गया ऋचा.
Learning with priority. Priority कहाँ?
Priority.
Learning with priority. Yes, learning with priority. And एक बहुत important है, point है, जो आपको आप सब लोग भूल रहे हैं.
Investment.
Investment है. Yes, of course, investment is there. और एक चीज और एक है. सोचो सोचो, दिमाग लगाओ. अभी हमको रोज काम करना है. सी, मैं एनवायरमेंट ऐसा बनाती हूँ so that
Investment.
you can learn with fun. Okay, you can learn with a fun.
Right.
Okay.
Infrastructure.
Yes, infrastructure is there. Okay. And what else?
How this infrastructure
Source.
comes into
Infrastructure,
existence for
you
online
can
business?
infrastructure. No, don't put the infrastructure. The constructive work, you can say. Constructive work means
Teamwork.
teamwork. Yes, you can say teamwork as well, but productive work, you can say the productive work.
And leadership qualities.
Huh?
Leadership qualities.
Leadership qualities. Okay. Okay, what else?
Trusted clients.
Sorry.
Trust at clients.
यस, यही मैं बोलना चाह रही थी आपको. आप लोग कुछ मिस कर रहे हो.
Naresh, come on.
यस, ट्रस्ट विद. मैं वही बोल रही थी, आप बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज भूल रहे हो.
Yes.
ट्रस्ट विद द लीड्स. कोई भी बिजनेस रहा तो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है ट्रस्ट. ओके, ट्रस्ट आपको उनको देना बहुत जरूरी है. जब तक आप उनको ट्रस्ट नहीं देंगे, वो आपके साथ एक ट्रू रिलेशनशिप मेंटेन नहीं कर सकते. ओके.
Yes.
ओके, और क्या लगता है आपको? अब मैं ऐड करूं
सेल्फ रिलायंस भी इम्पोर्टेंट है.
क्या?
सेल्फ रिलायंस यानी सेल्फ पे ट्रस्ट होना.
पॉजिटिविटी एंड
पॉजिटिविटी. हाँ.
एनवायरमेंट.
Optimistic, positivity, both are same, I think.
I mean trust on self, that we are trust on ourselves, that we can do it, that the product can work out, service can work out, that trust on
Ismail,
ourselves.
Ismail, please be louder. I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
हाँ, yeah, tell me.
I am saying self-reliance means trust on ourselves, trust on the product or work we do. That.
Okay, self-reliance.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So these are the points we have put. Okay. Now we will put some elements in it. Okay. So how we will put those elements? We will put investment. Okay, investment. So these are the logo which we will put here. Are you getting all how I am doing this?
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, I am putting some elements to make you understand that. Okay, then money. Okay, we will put here some money. Okay. I will put this here. Okay, then we will take the knowledge. Knowledge. So here, this is a mind which we are feeding to our mind, the books. Okay. And what we have right here, the work. Okay, work. Productive work. Okay. So for productive work, we'll put this. Okay. So this is how you have to design everything. Okay, these are all the points for the business mindset. Okay, and what else? Mentor.
Covered.
Great mentor. See, this is how the mentor help to grow you step by step. Okay, so see, these are the things. Whatever I am learning you have to make sure you have to teach these things to your team as well in the future. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So every day training is going to be very important. Okay, today is a day one. Every day the training is very important, and don't think कि आपको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी बार बार मिलेंगी, और ये ट्रेनिंग लाइव ट्रेनिंग करने में ही मजा आता है. ओके, ये ट्रेनिंग लाइव ट्रेनिंग करने में ही ज्यादा मजा आता है. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज losing, losing or failure, you can say that. ये बैकग्राउंड में नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, and what else? Innovation. Innovation. I will put technology. Okay, technology. Okay, we will put here technology. Yeah, I will put here technology as well. Always work with the technology. It's a trend of a business to work in a technology, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, and what are the other elements? Let me know. We will put it here. What are the other elements which we have to put it here? Tell me. I want everybody participation. Tools. We will put here tools. Okay.
Yes.
What tools?
Technology and tools both are same, no?
Technology. See, it's all about business mindset, right? So technology and tools, like we will put for like physical product point of view as well. For physical product, these tools are required. So like we will put this tool as well. All right. Okay, well, let me check with the digital tool is there. But let me check. Okay, we have already put the computers. Okay, all the computer is there, so we have already taken here. Okay, and what are the other things?
Client feedback you can take, no?
What?
Team, client feedback or teamwork you can put.
Feedback. Let me check feedback. Yes. Okay, feedback. And what else you said?
Teamwork.
Teamwork. Teamwork. We have already done this group. Ye wala.
You kept for mentor, I think.
Okay, so we will put this teamwork.
We need to work like this as well on a daily basis.
Everyday topic will be different. It depends. It depends. Because in last 2 seasons, I worked with everyone in this way. So they all have enjoyed the training. It's like learn with fun. Okay. So the task, the things, the experiments which I have done, everything goes in a mind, and the same environment you have to create with your team as well. All right, with your downline. Okay.
All right, but I am asking you, like this creativity we need to put on daily task
No, this
on
is
our.
not I am going to do on a daily basis. It's a business mindset.
All
Okay.
right, thank you. All right.
Yeah. Okay, so we have done this. And I will share this graphic with you all. And I want all you people to put this business mindset in your status. Okay. Okay, I want this
All
everything
right.
your status, so that people will understand that these are the things requires for the business mindset. Okay, they will ask you for this. Okay, and these are the services you are going to provide them in a genuine way. All right.
Okay.
So can we close for the day?
All right, sure.
Yes, sure.
Per day,
Okay.
how much time it will take for you to training? How many minutes? I mean, asking.
It depends topic to topic. It depends. We will take every day for a 1 hour, and if it go more than that, it's depend. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Okay. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank
And
you, Richard. Thank you so much.
good night. And
So much.
make
Good night.
sure you are not going to lose any of the training. Everyday training is very, very important. All right.
Sure, sure.
All right.
Sure. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Send these
Thank you.
details as well.
Good night. Good night.
Thank you, Richard. Good night. Bye bye.